Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Izzy Playz. Today we're doing something totally different. We're going to be opening mystery boxes online, so I'm super excited. And my aunt and my sister are in the room with me, and we're going to open a box for them too. But remember that Drakemall uses real money to get the boxes, so you need your parents' permission to get it. Okay, so first box that we're gonna open is Annal's box. So she wants the apple box. Just find it. Here's the apple box. Okay, let's open to see what she gets. Open. See what she gets. AirPod case. Do you want it? Okay, so we're gonna sell it, but we get another $1. Yay. Next, we'll do the Star Wars box for my sister. Here it is. Open now. Okay, let's see what she gets. Hopefully it's something better than an AirPod case. Do you want Star Wars stickers? Okay. So, we're going to keep the Star Wars stickers for my sister. Next, we're going to do my box. I want the ultraviolet box. Here it is. Oh, I'm scared. There's lots of good stuff, though. I'm scared. I already got something from the ultraviolet box, so I hope I don't get something. Oh. I know what it is, but I think I'm gonna sell it because I don't. Oh, it's a necklace. Yeah, no, I'm gonna sell it. Okay, so we have $31, so I think we have enough to do more boxes. So, next, my aunt wants the Star Wars box. I think I may have passed it. Nope. Okay, see what she gets. Oh, do you want them? No? Okay. We're gonna sell it. At least it's $2. Next, my sister wants the ultraviolet box. Love the ultraviolet. Oh, I scrolled up. It is. Open. See if she gets something better than me. Oh, a friend's pen. Do you want to keep it? No. If that was my spin, I would have not kept it because I already have one at home. Okay. Next I want the apple box. Here it is. Oh, I'm scared. See what I get. It's going so fast you can never tell. Got an AirPod case. Okay. $11. So no luck so far, but I think we can do some cheap boxes. Yeah, let's do the golden box. Looks fun. I hope I get the microphone. I really want a microphone. It sounds very weird, but I love microphones. It's the time turner necklace. We're gonna keep that. My sister already has it, but I really want it, so. Yeah. Okay, next, we still have $8. Oh, I'm not in the cheap. Let's maybe do the kawaii box. I really like kawaii, so. We'll do this. See what we get. Oh. Well, no. $4. I think we still have enough for console box. Oopsies, I wanted to sale. Yes, we still have enough for the console box. So, fingers crossed that we get something good. What is even in here? Now this is really good. Okay, so let's hope we get something good. We haven't really had any luck this time. Except for the time turner necklace. I really like that. What is that? Mini slot machine. Let's keep it. Okay, so now we only have 62 cents. So I don't think we have enough for another box. Oh, here's 55 cents. Yeah, let's do this. It's 55 cents. It's a cheap box. That's its name. Cheap box. It's literally its name. I hope we get something good. Or bad. Because the last one, it was kind of bad. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, there's like a basketball, and I think you like press the button to get it in. Let's keep that too. Okay, so Drakemall, we weren't successful, but I like the 3 things that we got, like the basketball thing, the little machine, and I'm excited to find out what that is. And I love the time turner necklace. And when everything arrives, we'll unbox it, and then we'll do Drakemall a little bit later. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.